Good afternoon all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, I am back in Manchester Airport, and of course I'm back in my favourite hotel at Manchester Airport, which is the Radisson Blu. Tomorrow I'm flying out to Orlando, surprise surprise, and I'm currently doing a pre-travel day vlog. However, I want to bring you the room as always. This is an executive room with lounge access, not with a runway view, so with a car park view probably, but nice view nonetheless. But the lounge, I have done separate videos of the lounge here before. I have done other room tours before. I have done runway view rooms, executive rooms, but as always, because I'm staying, I want to do updates as such on the rooms. If there's any updates, we'll go through it. Maybe a change in prices and stuff like that. So I've seen the mini bar here as well. Maybe it's changes with that. Who knows? So join me in this video. Have a look around the Radisson Blu executive room with lounge access. But this room just now, I'll link all the videos down below that I've done here before at Manchester Airport. There'll be a lot of them probably, and the lounge video as well. But in this pre-travel vlog I will be going and checking, not in this video, but in the vlog that I'm currently doing just now out with this video, I will be going to the lounge as well. So have a look at that if you wish to join me along in future trips, etc. But anyway, let's have a look at this room. So as always, starting at the front door, always make sure you know where you are for emergencies, and your key card has to go into this slot to give you the power to the room. We'll do a quick overview walk in of this executive room. Now it's the same, probably a different kind of hand, the opposite way from the last room I was staying at when I stayed at Radisson Blu, or this Radisson Blu. So nice, clean, modern room, very big bed. So let's go back the way. First of all, some storage just in there. You can put your bags in there out the way. Get a look inside the cupboard, the light coming on. So good storage space, iron board, iron. Got some robes up there as well, which is very nice, very fancy. Plenty of hangers, fancy. Hairdryer, and you get a safe as well. Oh, there's always little things hidden sometimes and I always miss them. Like, there we go, that's what I was looking for. A little shoe shine. I've seen them last time. So, you do get a laundry service. So I'm going to slide this over. Oh, it's a horrible noise. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, laundry service. Price wise, I'll do a quick scan. So you hang that outside your door if you wish. I'll do a quick scan and you can pause the video if you wish to get the prices. So I know it looks like I'm having a rave in here with that light flickering, but it is party time since I am going back to Orlando. So that's the wardrobe space, and as you come in to the room, we'll go back to the kind of wet room, the shower room or bathroom in a moment. So coffee machine, complimentary water I believe, yep, complimentary water. Last time I think I got charged for it last time, but it was missing last time, can't remember. So you two sockets there, a double socket. There's the mini bar price list, which I think is very expensive to be fair, £3.50 for a can of Vimto. Not any cans, by the looks of it there. So very expensive. Here you have board of biscuits, teas, coffees. There's the pods there for the coffee machine. an espresso. You've got glasses in there, wine glasses and normal drinking glasses. Let's see, why can't I get this opened? There we go. You get like a little mini bar there, and the drinks like I showed in the list of prices. That's that. The only thing is you can't put anything of your own in there, or can you? There's not much. Oh, is there space in there? Here we go again. Oh. See, there's not a lot of space to put any of your own food or drink in there. Yeah. So I've got my bags just dumped there just now. Nice big mirror, TV, very big bed like I say. Over here, bedside shelf, a USB point, socket and switch for the light. And same over there, you've got the phone for reception. We have all the light options here. Don't know what that does. It's not really doing much. Yeah, socket, USB point. Nice little picture here. Flying a plane. Very nice couch. Have a look at the food in a moment. Nice desk, chair and more. Power outlets there. Free pencil. I'm presuming it's free. Another socket there. You've got these kind of TV connections as well, so I'm guessing you can plug things into there and it goes onto your TV. So I'm not too sure, but I'm presuming that's what happens. But yeah, I'm just checking down there to see if there was a bin. We had a look at the view at the beginning, so I've gave that view away right at the start. Or did I? No, I don't think I did. Getting confused now with the vlog that I'm doing. So this is the view, like I say, it's not a runway view. Runway is the other side. This is the Skylink that links the terminals. So I just got off just the kind of curved roof you can see here. I got the bus down today, and you can get the bus, the train, all go to this station, it's called the hub, and you've got a Skylink here going to Terminal 2. So you take this bridge, the Skylink, all the way along here. You come into Radisson Blu, of course. That was a chair, by the way, not me. Just the Skylink, going all the way down. That takes you to Terminal 2. That's a Holiday Inn, the new one, and that's the Ibis budget. So I stayed in the Ibis, that one there, a few weeks ago, coming back from Orlando again. So the video's up if you want to have a look at the room for that. I will be staying in the Holiday Inn, coming back on this trip, that one there as well. So you want to see that, hit subscribe or follow me along for this journey, and you can have a look at that as well when I come back. There's a few hotels here, like the Voyager, I'll stay in that one day I'm sure. But I've stayed in other hotels, if you follow me, as you know. I've stayed in, see the Clayton, the Doubletree just there. I've stayed in the Clayton Hotel as well, which you can just see through the glare there. This is the view for this room. Let's have a look at the food options. So in-room dining. Again, I'm only going to scan this quickly and you can pause yourself to have a look at the prices. As the hotel food goes, in my opinion, the price is okay. I mean, the food's okay, the drinks are a bit expensive, but the food, I've ate here before and it is nice, and it is hotel prices. Let's go and have a look at the wet room, the shower room. Always a nice finish, very clean, that's the main thing for me. So nice sink, real glasses, makeup mirror, shaving points, lots of towels, complimentary items, body washes, shampoos, lotions, conditioners, a vanity kit, shower cap, this lovely big shower, look at this, massive overhead shower, a really nice shower, got a handheld one in the corner there, little shelf, yeah, it's always a great shower in this hotel. Some scales there, I'm not going to weigh myself, especially not going before holiday and not after holiday. So yeah, spin you all around, you've got me again. So I know I've done the rooms before, yeah, it's pretty much the same, nothing major has changed, or anything really. The mini bar, yeah, it's still expensive, so yeah, that's a mini bar for you, just there for convenience really. But yeah, if you can, enjoy it, go for it. But yeah, that's it for this video, hopefully you found it useful. I am, as I said, doing another vlog. This is the pre-travel day vlog I'm doing today. This is a separate video for yourselves for the information. So if it's the first time you've seen me, you can jump on my channel if you want to have a look at all the videos that I've got there for this hotel, other hotels, and Orlando, and theme parks, and adventure, and all the fun stuff that I do. So hopefully you stick around, join the community, and I'll see you on Instagram and Facebook, and of course on YouTube as well. So hopefully you found that useful. I am about to hop back over to the vlog, pre-Orlando vlog, pre-travel day to Orlando vlog. So hopefully I'll see you over on that. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you all then. Bye bye.